Okay, so we're gonna break the chair. Yeah, I got a hammer. She has an axe.
Alright, I don't want to use the axe. It's not gonna work.
What are you gonna do? Should I just like hit it?
Sure, why not? Yeah, that was a good one.
That's the tendency, but it doesn't break. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn!
Yeah, that's why I don't want to use that. Oh, I broke one. Your turn. See what damage you can do. I'm scared it's gonna like fly off. That's why I'm. It seems to like stay.
Wait, let me go get the other hammer. What's the garage?
Shit. No. Alright. We got the big hammer. Wait. I'm like, move it up.
Move it over here so you get swinging at it. I broke one.
Can you like put your foot on the bottom just so it won't tip over?
Oh damn! You like cracked it.
Oh yeah, that one's defeated. Oh my hip. Oh my hip.
Oh damn! Oh damn!
Shit, wait. Middle.
I got this. I want to break that big one.
Wait, hold on.
What if I hit this really hard with it? Like. Oh damn!
Oh my god!
It's just like I wonder if I hit it really hard. Oh damn! I just put in like indents. Oh, nice.
Right.
You're gonna hold it or you're gonna. Oh! Damn!
Good shit right there.
That's a yummy chair right there.
Oh. Get with the other end. Oh, alright. I'm gonna sit in it now.
Get a splinter!
I'm gonna try. I don't want to put my pants.
Oh, damn. Now this is where the axe can come in. Oh, damn.
Oh my god, I'm so scared of that.
I want to break it! Oh, look at this. Woo!
You guys, when you're done, go down there and pick me a bunch of daffodils to put in the vase
Yellow
you got
ones?
me. Any of them. Pick them all. Will you having fun?
Yeah.
The hat
We
is not
recorded
very
it.
sharp.
I broke something with the dough.
You have to watch our video anymore.
Can I have that?
Can I have it?
Can I have it?
Can I have it?
That's destruction of a chair.